In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill any shape with an image in GIMP. We'll walk through a clean, beginner-friendly workflow that works for rectangles, circles, and even custom shapes, so you can create polished cutouts in just a few clicks. Let's start by opening the image you want to use. In GIMP, go to File, then Open, and pick your file. Larger, higher resolution images often give you crisper edges when you crop to a shape, so choose the best version you have. If your image opens in a new project, that's perfect. We'll work right on that layer. Next, add your shape. If you want a basic rectangle or a perfect ellipse, grab the Rectangle Select tool or the Ellipse Select tool from the toolbox. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the shape. Hold Shift for a perfect square or circle, and hold Control to draw out from the center point if that's easier to position. For a custom shape, like a heart or a unique silhouette, use the Paths tool to click around the outline you want. Keep an eye on options like anti-aliasing for smoother edges. Now turn that shape into a selection. If you use the Rectangle or Ellipse tool, you're already there. The marching ants show the active selection. If you use the Paths tool, look for the option called Selection from Path and click it. You'll see the selection appear around your custom shape. If you want softer edges, you can gently feather the selection, but that's optional. With your shape selected, we need to invert the selection so we can remove everything outside the shape. Go to Select, then Invert. This tells GIMP that the area around your shape is what we want to affect, not the inside. Press Delete on your keyboard. The outer area disappears, leaving the image neatly contained inside your shape. If the outside turns a solid color instead of becoming transparent, make sure your image layer supports transparency and that you're working on the correct layer. Also, check that the layer isn't locked. Finally, clear the selection so you don't accidentally edit just that area. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to deselect. You should now see your image perfectly trimmed to the shape you drew, ready to place on a background, combine with other graphics, or save as a transparent PNG. And that's how you fill any shape with an image in GIMP. Quick and easy.